Uh-oh. Something big has got this, y'all. I barely felt him hit. Oh, get out of there. Here I'm at a local creek. Have no idea what kind of species I'll catch, but there's sure to be a lot of fish in here, so let's go see what's biting. It's just a cheap Shakespeare Excursion medium rod, 6-pound line, and a 1/64 ounce jig head, and a piece of red worm on it. Worm's just going to be like that, threaded on the hook. First, I'm going to start by pitching alongside this wall. It's a pretty good spot. Oh, got a mean guy here. Didn't even know he was on there. Very good. First bait of the day. Hard to argue with that bluegill there, man. Awesome. There we go. So these fish are feeding towards the surface. I don't know what that is. Bluegill, pumpkin seed, whatever. Beautiful fish. I'm just going to let it hit, just kind of keep it right up there in the surface. There we go. A small one, but he'll do. No doubt, that fish will do. There we go. That's a better one right there. Just messing around on the surface, guys. Very cool. Very, very cool. Good one. This guy right here, most beautiful fish out there. I mean, that's just awesome looking. Crazy colors. Love it. Uh-oh. Something big has got this, y'all. I barely felt him hit. This has got to be a bass. Goodness. I thought I had little dink bluegills on there pecking at it, so I didn't set the hook. It really didn't like when I lifted up there. This could be a channel cat, but I sort of think it's a bass. But it's fighting funny. Certainly stirring up the water. Probably a bass. Oh, get out of there. Got 6-pound line on, so I gotta be fairly careful. But what is this, man? Come over here, boy. Something that's not real small. I think it's fighting like a channel cat. But in this shallow, small water, they all run similar. What is it? Oh, that's a big old channel cat. My goodness. That's a big channel cat, buddy. Well, no wonder. Yeah, it's too big for bait, that's for sure. Maybe at some point he'll wear out. My goodness. Now this is fun right here. Good morning to me. Get out of those logs, fella. Oh man. Big commotion he's creating. Heck yeah. Come on. Oh no. Oh, he's got me hung up. Almost. No, that's a great fish. Fantastic. Y'all see that? I'm showing him now in case he breaks off. That fish got away. You may have seen it for a second. I was trying to get the camera right for a shot there, but he jumped out straight into the water right here. Anyways, that was pretty sweet. We got a new bait. We're gonna put it back here in the same spot. See what we can do. Good fish. Undisturbed by that channel cat. Oh wow, it came off right there. Beautiful. Good one. A decent bait right there. Yeah, not the biggest ones today, guys, but sometimes you get what you got. That'll catch a fish right there. Boy, took me a minute, but now it's one after the other. Well, there's a healthy fish. Yep, now this creek is just full of these fish right here. The most beautiful fish around. That's what we really wanted right there. All right, y'all. One of my favorite fish. Good one. Good one. Oh, wow. I got a bass chasing it. Check it out. There's a bass chasing this fish. This bass has got him, too. Are y'all watching this? This bass is all over this fish here. This bass has got him, too. I'm going to let him run with it and see if we can swallow it. And see if we can catch both the big sunfish and the bass. Wow, that bass is all over him, man. Nope. The bass is still on him. I'm gonna see if I can get him up close.
This bass is trying to eat this big perch. Got his mouth on him. I hope y'all can see this. Bass is being a dominant predator. Look at this.
See if we can get that bass to come back. But I think he'll make it out all right, you know. It's a nice perch right there. Wow. Yep. Good fish on. What do we got? Wow, that's a big sunfish. That is a whopper. Wow. That right there is quite a bit bigger. Thought he may be a bass the way he hit it. Very, very aggressive. Busted it at the top. So, anyways, guys, we're doing pretty good this morning on bait. We're going to try and hurry, though. But this is quite a fun trip. I love fishing these small creeks like this because really they have all different kinds of species. And they're just full of life. So there we go. That's my favorite of the day right there.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I promise we have some big fish coming up soon. I'll see you on the next one.